Well, we have Mr. Christian Isaac Anyalisi joining us now. Again, thank you for your time. You were explaining the factors responsible for the decline in the market last week. Talk to us more about it.
Yeah, we saw that the market went down to zero and closed 0.06%. For the index, which translated to 43,068.75 points. And then for the market capitalization, 23.95 trillion. A number of factors would have been responsible for that. Hello?
Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead, please.
Okay, a number of factors would have been responsible for that. You recall that in the previous week that there was a sale of treasury bills at the primary auction, in which 165 billion was raised, and in fact the treasury bills was also oversubscribed by above 60%. You also saw that within last week, between 7th and 11th of November, the debt management office issued bonds, federal government bonds, and the percentage for those bonds, if you check the subscription form, were increased by 100 basis points. That's 1% in each case. So we have those instruments at about 13 to 14%, all in an effort to entice investors. So if you didn't have with that, it is reasonable to expect that there would have been some outflow of funds, certain funds that would have gone into the capital market would have been taken to other sectors of the market, which is
so in a nutshell, yes.
Market.
So in the
and the treasury bills, as it were.
So in a nutshell, you are saying that the investor sentiment in the stock market waned as a result of the fact that there's much attractive interest in the fixed income market. That's what you're saying.
That is a point. That's a point. That's a contribution.
So let's look at.
And over time, we've repeated we've always talked about the issue of systemic illiquidity in the every segment of the capital market. You see, when you have fixed income instruments, government bonds, offering attractive yields to the investors, it becomes an alternative investment destination for investors. So
let's quickly. Pardon me to jump in here.
Hello?
Yeah, pardon me to jump in here because of our time. Let's look at the market this week. Of course, today is the fourth business day, and an anticipation of the inflation figures expected to be released into the market this week. So what are your expectations, and how is the market likely, or investors likely, to react to that expected numbers?
It is very likely. It is very likely that the market will continue on the bullish trajectory, other circumstances being equal.
So you don't see that the inflation figure going for rising further in the month of October?
It is possible. It is possible. But if you look at some other developments, the inflationary effect might be weighed down. You see the government policy of the redesigning of the currency coming in at this point. Within the first 3-4 days, the CBN, they told us that they've gotten about 50 billion, over 50 billion back into the banking system. You also have seen that the price of the dollar, is beginning to come down from the peak of 910 naira to about 720 or 730 naira. And you also seen that there are reports from the Nigerian Upstream Regulatory Commission that certain transportation pipelines of the NNPC is beginning to deliver. So some of those other positive
news or reports
might subdue
interesting
the effect of the inflation, and in that way, the market might not be hot.
I think we have to. Yes, I think we have to leave it there. Good news that now the dollar is going back or going downward, or will I say, yes, the exchange rate is dropping gradually. Well, thank you for your time. Christian Isaac Anyalisi, a securities investment analyst, thank you for your time on Business Breakfast.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Yeah. All right, still to come after the break, Nigeria's consumer price index has increased over by 400% as cost of living rises further. Well, this is our focus next on the show as we assess household spending and purchasing power of average Nigerian. We're back in a moment. This is Business Breakfast.
Most up-to-date fashion advice or an in-depth look at the world of fashion. On iBrandTV, brands and fashion is tailored to fulfill all of your fashion needs. From the thrilling trend segment, which keeps you current on the changing faces of fashion, to the brand spotlight, which educates you on the fashion business, there is something for everyone. And there is always the ever-fun glitch portion to keep you wanting more. Catch the thrill, the glitz and the glamour on brands and fashion. It's something you definitely do not want to miss.
The ride just started. Trust me, we have more of interesting rides for you.
It's all happening here on StarTimes channel 143. The future of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies continue to draw a lot of attention from investors, entrepreneurs, regulators, and the general public. Many recent public discussions of cryptocurrencies have been triggered by the substantial changes in their prices, claims that the market for cryptocurrencies is a bubble without any fundamental value, and also concerns about evasion of regulatory and legal oversight.